First, log into your Bingo Maker account. On the main page, click New Bingo Project. Select the number of cards you need. Let's select 100 cards. Change the other settings as needed and click Create the cards. Your project will be available on your main page. When you are ready to host a game, go in the row of your game and click Play. Enter a game name and a password for players to join your game. Select up to 6 different patterns from the list. When you are ready to start your game, click Activate the Bingo Caller. Once the game has started, its name will be displayed on the Games List page. Players can get their virtual cards for your game at bingomaker.com and click Join a Game. They search for your game name in the list. Click Join and enter the password. A pop-up window will display the patterns to get a bingo for this game. Wait for all the players to join your game. Once you are ready, start the random draws by clicking Make a Draw. You can also use the automatic draw or the manual selection feature. Give some time to players to click the valid squares. You will find the winning cards in real time in the winners list. In this example, the player needs the I-17 in order to get a line of 5 squares. When a virtual card has the possibility of having a bingo, the card number will appear blue in the list. When the player clicks all the squares needed in order to get the bingo, the winners list will flash orange, and the cards will be crossed out or validated in the winners list. The following validated cards will move to the top of the list by the order they appear. If you want to start another new game and reset the caller, click Restart the game. Modify the winning patterns as needed. Once you're ready, click Restart the game. The caller will be reset, and you are ready to make new draws. A message will notify the players that a new game has started. To rejoin the game, they click Play. The card will be reset and a pop-up window will display the new patterns for this game. Continue to play until you have no prizes left to give to winners. Thank you for using bingomaker.com.